Wasn't that fantastic?
Wasn't it? I want to introduce you to Hugh Smallwood. Hugh Smallwood.
Hello Hugh, how'd you do?
Bill Northmore, ex-engineering commandant.
Good, that was good fun. I liked my day, I can tell
you. He did. He flew at 3,000 RPM the whole bloody flight.
Yeah?
He did.
And he didn't know any different?
He was too bloody frightened. He wanted to keep the speed up.
Surprised he didn't run out of petrol.
Yeah, but he didn't do any long trips. No, it's fair. He really did. He said he always ran at 3,000 RPM and full boost.
Right. We use, for max continuous on this, well, we don't use it, but the book figures we use are 2650.
Yes.
And plus 7. And theoretically, you can go all day long, but of course the engine now is 50 years old, and so we tend to use sort of 2,000 and plus 4 as a max continuous.
Yeah.
Just then I was running at 2,700 and plus 7.
Were you? Yes. Lovely, lovely.
This Mark 9 is actually a very famous airplane. It was flown by a South African ace called Henry Larden of Burke, and he got 8.5 victories. And it's in his markings now. It's in Treble 2 Squadron markings. He first of all flew Hurricanes in Malta, and where he got his Italians, and then he was on Treble 2 Squadron back here.
Italians only counted half.
Well, you say that, but one of them shot him. He was in the process of shooting down a Macchi, and he shot down some famous Italian ace in the Macchi, and the wingman then drilled him, and he actually got a round that went right through him, and he actually flew back to Malta all bleeding and shot. So
you want to have a look at the photograph he's got in the Mustang. Yeah. The hole that big came up through Valmy's left foot,
yes,
and took the end of his things off.
Yeah,
Your
headphones.
Extraordinary thing. It came in between the pitch control and the throttle control. It didn't hit anything vital. And it just flew across.
Took your headgear as well, part of your headgear.
Tipped away the lead and didn't explode.
Was that anti-aircraft or from an aeroplane?
Different ground.
Ground power.
Over Den Helder.
They were shooting well.
Excellent. You shouldn't have been there.
What sort of Mustang?
Meant to be up somewhere else.
What kind of Mustang was that?
1A Allison engine.
Then we changed.
You were allowed to go up to 30 feet, wasn't it, on those? 30 or 40.
I always think the lowest one is the chap Mike Inglefinch, you know, was beating up a gun emplacement and came back with a German head and helmet in the leading edge of his typhoon. It's absolutely true. The chap jumped out as he came. It's just evident.
No.
It is true.
It's true.
Yeah, absolutely true.
It's not good.
Poor chap lost his nerve and jumped out. He took the wrong moment.
No, but it's not fair on the airplane.
No, it wasn't fair on us.
No.
Mark, please, you missed the photo session this morning. Would you like to come over to the front of the PL
certainly in a
with
minute,
us,
yes, of course.
old fogies?
Just because the cap blew off? Hot oil.
When you land, you had your head up. But on the side, you couldn't see it. You had the whole inside.
And it isn't just good visibility, right?
Sorry?
visibility-wise.
No, it's very difficult.
Yeah.
You're sitting very low down. You're
Yeah.
sitting right on top of the wing. It's like sitting in one of those.
Yeah.
I enjoyed the Red Arrows party.
Yeah, that was good.
That was great.
I was in trouble with being so good looking. You haven't got these girls
Right, are you ready? Lovely film it. Right, Mike and Pete, can you just come round here?
Well, that's what it's all about, Mark, isn't it?
Right, that's
I think
fine.
it is, ultimately.
Yes.
That's it.
Still flying phantoms.
Not anymore.
Right, we've got a photographer here.
Not for a long time.
I think he'll be flying out.
Please hold airplanes.
Hold on. Get your hand in. I know another. No, when we were at North, Peter Cribb and I used to go to a few parties and we were in tents, and then he decided let's go have a look at physical training and I kind of said it's so a couple of times people came around and said, Peter and I was tent and says, time for Canada, we said bugger off. And they went away and said, we were called up before good day. And he had us in, and he sort of said about, you know,